In this video, I'm going to show you 4 free ways to find winning products for your dropshipping store. Make sure to stick around to the end and I'll include a bonus way of finding products that not too many people have heard of. And if you're new here, my name's Alex. I cover all things ecom, so remember to leave a like, subscribe for more, and let's jump right into it. Alright, so the first tool that I have for you guys is this Facebook Ad Spy tool known as My Ad Finder. And you guys can find this directly at myadfinder.com. So basically, it's just an extension that you guys can add on to whatever browser you use. So if you use Chrome, Firefox, or Edge, just go ahead and click install right here and set everything up to get started. But basically what this app does is it removes any spam, any memes, anything that your friends are sharing on your regular Facebook newsfeed and cleans all of that up and just shows you ads from your competitors and similar advertisers around you. So whatever ads are targeted to you, they just show up in order on your Facebook newsfeed and you're not seeing anything but those ads. So there's a ton of cool features on this app as well, like saving ads to go back and analyze later, seeing why they're targeted to you and what your audience or what your competition is doing to reach their audience. And you can honestly just use this to spot trends early and find winning products before they're saturated and see what everyone else is doing. So this automatically collects ads while you're using Facebook, so you guys can go through and see all of the collected ads later. This filters the ads for you as well, and like I already said, you guys can save and go back to those ads and reference them later when you guys are doing your product research. So this is definitely a great free product research tool that you guys can just go on and scroll through your newsfeed for a few minutes every day and see what trending products are popping up and what trends you can spot yourself. Okay, so the second method is a great way to spy on your own competition as well as see what's going on in your own industry. So we're here on a well-known brand, and that's Gymshark. I'm sure many of you guys have heard of this brand as well as own some of their stuff. But let's just say that you guys own like a clothing company or like a workout company, and Gymshark is one of your main competitors. So let's look at ways that you guys can one-up Gymshark and kind of gain an advantage over your competition and every other brand around you moving forward. So we're here on their little newsletter form, and what you guys want to do is create an alternate email that you guys can use to go through and sign up for all of your competitors' email lists. So fill this out, put in your new email that you guys are going to be using for your product research, and this really allows you once again to spot trends early. You guys can focus on niche expansion and really expand your own product lines with some similar products that they're selling, as well as spot your competition's best sellers and see where most of their advertising efforts are focused on. Alright, so the third tool that I have for you guys is a well-known one, and that's Google Trends. So let's stay on the same topic and say you guys are selling workout clothing, and we'll use that as the exact search term. So just type in whatever product you guys are selling on your own store or whatever niche you're in, and we're going to look at ways that you guys can expand your own product line. So what I like about this is it allows you to find stable and evergreen niches right here, showing the interest over time as it's always steady throughout the entire year. And you guys also have a ton of search criteria up here as well, so you guys can compare with other search terms and see the interest side by side, as well as target the exact location, certain time frames, certain categories, and certain search types. But scrolling down here, you guys can also see the interest by the exact location. So more people are searching for workout clothing in New York, Kansas, Utah, Alabama, and Colorado than other parts of the world, as you guys can see these gray regions over here. And you guys can scroll through and really see where the most interest on these certain terms are. So we have United States, we can do worldwide. And as you guys can see, it's stable throughout the world, and you get the most searches in New Zealand, United States, Canada, Australia, South Africa. So it really shows you where you want to focus your marketing and targeting efforts. And then another great feature with Google Trends are the related topics, so that you guys can find similar products. So this shows what else you guys should be selling on your own store. So let's go back to the United States for this example. And related topics: streetwear, academy sports, fashion, kill crew mesh, strength training, physical strength, men's shorts. So men's shorts are something that you guys might want to focus on since the searches have increased by 130%. And then it also shows the related categories as well on here. So Google Trends is a great way to find interest by region, spot seasonal trends, find related products, and really spot what niches are evergreen. So this is a great way to really focus and key in on your industry and do the proper research. All right, so the fourth tool that I have for you guys is the AliExpress Dropshipping Center. So this is free to anybody with an AliExpress account, and there's a ton of great features on this. So this allows you to find real-time trending products on this page, and there's a ton of great search criteria to help you find those. So you guys can choose by the product category if you guys are selling a certain type of products, where it ships from, where it ships to, the delivery time if you want it under 40, 30, 20, or even 10 days, the price of the product, if you guys want e-packet shipping, free shipping, or videos included on the product page to use for your own video ads and content. And then you guys can edit the search by certain countries, orders up in certain countries, dropshipping orders, price, recently added, rating, and everything else. So we're going by best match, and these are just trending products in real time. So this allows you to find VIP links where certain products are trending and people go through on their dropshipping stores and get their suppliers to create a VIP link for them when they're selling more of a certain product. So if you guys can figure out what these VIP links are, 9 times out of 10 they're a great product to sell on your own store. And like I said, you guys can find reliable suppliers on here and limit all of your own search criteria. So just scroll through here, at least, a couple times a day, a couple times a week, and find some winning products that you guys can sell on your own store, because the products on here are honestly endless. It's constantly being updated and it's constantly being filled with new and trending products. So this is a great method of finding winning products. All right, so as promised, here is the bonus way of finding winning products that not too many people know about, and that's the Ecom Advantage Winning Products newsletter. So let our team do all of the research for you, and we'll send you an email packed with trending products that you guys can sell yourself every 2 weeks at exactly no cost to you. So this is a great method of finding winning products before everyone else does. Here's an example of one of the emails that we sent out, and you guys can find that link in the description below for you. After this video, you guys should have all of the tools you need to find winning products before they're saturated. If this video helped you out in any way, remember to leave a like, share with others, and subscribe for more. And don't forget to sign up for our Winning Products newsletter in the description below, as well as all of our other resources. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.